Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about one of the critical issue in integration procedure that I'm going to talk about. So before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So as we know, the OmniStudio components are getting compatible with Agentforce, and we can just refer our OmniStudio components in the Agentforce action. For example, I'm just going to show you one of the example. Like on clicking on this gear icon, I can just go to the quick find and search for the assets. And under the Einstein Agentforce Studio, we can find these Agentforce assets. And if I just navigate to the actions tab in the assets, we can just click on this new agent action, and in the action reference type we can see this integration procedure. So this is the in winter 26, from winter 26 onwards we can see like OmniStudio components are getting compatible with Agentforce. Like the first one, this integration procedure now available as an reference action in for the Agentforce action. That can be this action can be added to a service agent or an employee agent or any kind of agent in Salesforce. So and the issue is like to make compatible the integration procedure with the Agentforce, there is a configuration, and I am in this new integration procedure standard designer, and I'll be going to talk about it more in the next session, like how we can create a new integration procedure from scratch, and how we can navigate all of the elements like standard actions, data mapper actions, groups. But today is the demo is for one of the that issue that I was talking about, like this configure Agentforce button. So so this configure Agentforce button sometimes not available as we request a new scratch org, a new org from Salesforce. So this sometimes this configure Agentforce button not available, and we can access we can access by just deactivating the current integration procedure. And after deactivating the current integration procedure, we can just click on this configure Agentforce, and we can just configure our input JSON and output JSON path. But sometimes the button is itself not available. So to fix that, we just need to follow some of the configuration setup. First one is, there are two setup we just need to check, which are very simple. And like first one is from the permission sets. So with our user, we just need to see like OmniStudio admin permission set should be there for the user that is running the integration procedure. So this is the first step. We just need to make sure this OmniStudio admin permission set is assigned for the user. And the second step is from the OmniStudio settings. So from the quick find, we can just search for OmniStudio settings, and under the features settings, Omni interaction, we can find this OmniStudio settings. And under this OmniStudio settings, we just need to check this OmniStudio metadata toggle. So this toggle needs to be on. So if whenever we are just turning on this OmniStudio metadata toggle, we can't revert it back, right? So these two steps we just need to care about to find our agent configure Agentforce button in the integration procedure. And that's all for today's demo. And if you have any concerns or questions, just comment it out, and I'll try to respond as soon as possible. And I'll be uploading more tutorials and use cases, scenario based approaches in this channel. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.